Yeah, like a Norwegian fjord, and the house that is totally integrated. As you can see, we had a rock that was cut out.
That was the opportunity to do something different. It's a big house, more horizontal rather than vertical, working with the fjord itself and with this material that during the day, you almost don't see it. During the night, it's a lantern.
We're in a Norwegian fjord. We have a house that develops on 3 different levels. It's like layout is almost like a boat project, so very long and very, organized the way that you live, corners.
We use large glass surfaces to dissolve the boundary between inside and outside, while the materials reflect tones and textures of the surrounding rocks. So in that way, the architecture becomes a quiet frame for the landscape rather than competing with it.
This house didn't want to stand out, didn't want to be visible as usual houses in Norway that are white with their roof and things. So we have this roof that was following the rock as well, and the upper, let's say, level visible. Everything else is actually beautifully combined empty and full volumes. We have 4 bedrooms and then all the other areas of the house.
We keep materials simple but intentional. For example, concrete connects the house to the granite landscape, while the teak material adds warmth and texture. This kind of materials are used both inside and outside, creating a seamless transition between the architecture and landscape.
They call these houses cabins, but this isn't not a cabin. We played with these double heights because the cabin means like a height of 2.20 meters. The combination between double height spaces and smaller spaces is very important, and people can feel small into the big spaces, Making a beautiful open space, it's always beautiful, but okay, you have to create somehow environment where you feel happy when you're alone. So even when we have open spaces, we try to create all these areas you feel in your living room, and this is your dining or your office, even if they are part of the same environment.
My name is Marco Bonelli.
I'm Marijana Radovic. I'm a co-founder of M2atelier studio in Milan, and this is the Architect Series.